Hello fellow Inkscapers, we're gonna try to make this effect today using filters. First, we're gonna create a text. I've chosen this text with these parameters. Then we're gonna head straight to the fill and stroke dialog. I will choose a linear gradient as a fill. I will move its tops to be vertical. Then proceed to change the stops colors. I will choose a shade of pink. I will add another stop to this exact position. I will choose a gray. We will continue by adding another stop and position it like this. Then change its color. To this shade of pink. Then proceed to the last stop. We will add another shade of pink. This is how I imagine it. Then we're gonna go to the stroke paint, choose a fill. I will choose a cyan color. Don't forget to subscribe. I will choose this width for the stroke. And this type of stroke. We're gonna see why we have chosen this after applying the effect. We're gonna create another filter effect. If the filter editor is not open, you can open it via this menu. We'll assign the new created filters to the text. Then proceed to add the new filters. First, we're gonna add a Gaussian blur. Give it this value. Then we're gonna add a composite filter. We will choose arithmetic and change its values to this. As you can see, the effect is taking shape. Now we're gonna add a color matrix. We will clean it from the default values and add the values we want. Color matrix filter is very powerful, you can do a lot with it. We'll add these values, -1 3 times and 1. Don't worry if it became black. I'm gonna continue. We will add another composite. We'll make it also arithmetic. Give it these values. This is how we want it. We'll add another composite. We'll connect this to a composite above. This is how it looks. And change it to arithmetic. We'll give these values. We'll add another composite. And make it over. And add a blend. And make it color dodge. As you can see, the text became brighter. We will add at the end a color matrix and then change it to hue rotate. Now we're gonna return back to the stroke style to increase the width. You can also change the look of the text via the fill by tweaking the linear gradient stops colors as you wish. You can make a lot of variation with these techniques. Even the gloss, you can change it just by tweaking the position of the middle stop. Now we're gonna test it by typing another text, ink fun.